Hey socialites, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So today's video is going to be the last fragrance tray of the year. This is our December fragrance tray. Before we jump into the perfumes, let's unlock day 3 of our Revolve Beauty Advent Calendar. So this is our Revolve Beauty Advent Calendar. I'm doing Vlogmas this year, so I'll be uploading a video every day in the month of December. Before each video, we're gonna unlock another day and see what beauty item we got. Yesterday we got a Way hair cream, I think a hair mask. So day 3 is here. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Okay, it's from Jouer. Looks like an eyeshadow, like a glittery eyeshadow. It's a powder highlighter. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's like iridescent. Like I see pink in here and a little gold. Wow, it's probably like one of those super blinding highlights. So I'm not gonna touch this. So we'll add this to the giveaway. First fragrance on the tray is gonna be Gentle Fluidity Gold from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, which is the perfumer behind the nose of the famous Baccarat Rouge 540. Now, if you're no stranger to this channel, you've heard me talk about this time and time again. This is one of my favorite perfumes. It may be my #1 favorite perfume. I probably have like 1 or 2 more uses out of this because I'm using her up. This will be gone within like the next week or so, but this is a beautiful vanilla, powdery, slightly woodsy, which is way in the background scent. This is the ultimate chic pretty girl fragrance. There's vanilla and caramel in here. There's also juniper berries in here, which gives it that sweet fruitiness, and it's a little bit spicy from nutmeg, just a little bit. Everything is done just right, like the right amounts of it. Nothing's overpowering anything. The next fragrance on the tray, really this is like not on the tray, but it's on the tray because look, we're almost done. But the next fragrance on the tray is the dupe, y'all, for Gentle Fluidity Gold, which is called Barracat Gold, Gentle Gold from Amazon. This is an Amazon fragrance. I heard a few people talking about it. Platinum D actually put me onto this, y'all. I clicked on her link so fast and bought this, and I've been telling you guys about it ever since. So you guys can see, like, this is pretty much one of my favorite sort of perfume profiles, like the scent profile, because I've used like half, if not a little bit more than half of the dupe, and the dupe smells really good as well. Although the notes on Fragrantica are the same as the original Gentle Fluidity Gold, the dupe does smell a little bit different. The musk in here is stronger. There's a lot more musk in here than it is in the original, and the musk is not as refined as it is in the original. It smells a little bit harsher, but not enough to count me out from the fragrance, but you can definitely clearly tell a difference. The fragrance overall is not as soft as the original, and for that reason, I thought that I might repurchase this, but for that reason, because it's not as soft and refined and smooth as the original, I'd probably not even probably, I won't be repurchasing the dupe. I would much rather have the original. But until this is gone, I'm definitely gonna use it up because it gives me the vibes, you know. It still smells sweet, it smells vanillic, it's a little bit more spicy than original, and the musk is a little bit more pronounced. It's still so good though, especially if you've never owned the original. I think you'd really appreciate this if you just wanted to try it out and see what you think before you buy the more expensive version, if you're interested in that sort of thing. But this one smells really good. It's going on the tray because I want something vanillic that's going to give me those vibes. I do feel like this gives more fall winter than the original. To me, the original is year round. This is more fall winter because it's heavier on the musk and the spice. Next perfume on the tray is Angum from Latafa, and this is beautiful. This is such a gorgeous vanilla scent. It's a spicy vanilla as well, but it's not like a super spicy or overly spicy or anything like that, but it's definitely spice in here. I believe there's ginger. Now this is supposed to be a dupe for Burberry Goddess, and it smells just like it. It may be a little bit better than Burberry Goddess in my opinion, lasts a little bit longer, and it gives you a little bit more layered, slightly more layered than the original Burberry Goddess. But if you love Burberry Goddess, or you love a beautiful vanilla scent that doesn't smell basic, because this is a sexy chic vanilla, it gives more like a more sophisticated grown woman vanilla. It's not like a basic linear vanilla, you know what I mean? Oh, so good. To me, this gives kind of fall winter because of the spice in it, and it's so cozy and comforting. Y'all, I'm gonna be wearing this so much in the month of December. To me, this just gives holiday vibes. It smells so expensive. You would never think it's a $40 perfume. So good. Next perfume on my tray is one of the latest to my collection. I just picked this up during the latest Sephora sale, and this is YSL Libre Le Parfum. YSL Libre Intense was on my November tray, and so I have this on the December tray. This is my favorite from the Libres, even though I love all of them. Well, I like most of the Libres. The original is not really my favorite, and that silver one is a no for me, but this one is so good. It's like one of those ambery, bourbony type vanilla fragrances, heavy on the amber. They do have a honey note in here that makes it so sweet. So good, y'all. When you spray this, it gives rich auntie. I feel like if you're in your 20s, you may not love this, but usually 35, 38 and up, this is gonna be a love. So good. There's lavender in here. It's heavy on the lavender. So if you're not a fan of lavender, you may not like this one, but it is good to me. It's another one that's really cozy, but it's more so cozy like date night, not like cozy like to bed. This is a sexy perfume. There's saffron in it. If you know anything about saffron, it gives that sex appeal, kind of like Baccarat Rouge. But yeah, happy to have her on the tray and in my collection. So speaking of Baccarat Rouge, I do have Baccarat Rouge, the Extrait version, on my tray this month. This is like a holiday staple for me. This is a date night staple and a holiday staple for sure. I wear this perfume the most in the month of December. It's so long lasting in that it lasts on your skin forever, and long lasting in that you could keep this in your collection for years and it just gets even better over time. This one smells quite different than the original to me. The original wasn't really, I don't know, I know it's super popular, but I owned this for years before I actually smelled the original version. And smelling this first, the original is a little bit underwhelming. Not that it's a bad perfume, but to me, it just doesn't compare. This is ambery. It has saffron in it. There's an almond note in here. There's a little bit of musk in here. Y'all, this is so good. It's just, imagine warm almond, ambery, saffron, all the things. I don't even know if you can imagine that, because this is almost a scent that is a little difficult to describe. This is a mood. If you've ever tried Baccarat before, comment down below. How do you feel about the original versus the Extrait version? So I also have Lost Cherry from Tom Ford on the tray this month. This is just almost like an ambery cherry fragrance. For some people, I could almost see how you could get cherry cough syrup out of this, because it does give you a little bit of cherry cough syrup tea, slightly. This is almost gone. Similar to the Gentle Fluidity Gold, I think I have maybe one more use out of this one, so that's really why it's on the tray. But this also pairs so well with the Baccarat Rouge Extrait that I just showed you guys together. Those smell amazing. So when I wear it this month, I'm definitely gonna pair it with the Baccarat Extrait version, probably for a date day, like when we go out for lunch. Our lunch is dinner, so probably when we go out for our lunch dinner, that's what I'll be wearing this month. Next up on the tray is Exhalte from Fumi Monet, and this is a vanilla rose fragrance. Now this is something different that I have that's different from anything in my collection. This is beautiful. To me, this is another sort of sophisticated perfume, kind of like Baccarat Extrait. For me, this is date night. I would wear it during the day too. It's actually a collaboration with a fragrance content creator, and it's so good. Like, she knew what she was doing with this one. It's really pretty. This is something I like to wear like when I'm dressed up. I don't wear it a whole lot because this is the largest size, and it comes from like somewhere far, y'all, like another country or something. You can't get this locally. It's not that easily accessible, but it smells so sophisticated, so good. I do have a full review up on my channel of this. I'll put the link right there for you to check it out. But it doesn't necessarily give me holiday vibes, but it gives me sophistication and refined, and I have a lot more of those type of perfumes on my December tray. Now this next perfume to me is like holiday in a bottle. Like, this is Thanksgiving in a bottle. This is Christmas in a bottle. In my opinion, I hear a lot of people say that it's a summertime perfume, and I don't really know why, even though it's fruity, but it's Tom Ford's Bitter Peach. It's so spicy. It almost gives like a beautiful potpourri, but in the best way, in like a perfumey way. It's spicy and almost like cinnamon type of spicy. So this is one of Tom Ford's most layered, complex, and long-lasting perfumes. It's about 150 notes in here, y'all. I'll read y'all a couple. So of course there's peach in here. There's blood orange. You have rum and cognac in here. There's tonka bean, labdanum, vetiver, sandalwood. There's a little vanilla in here. Like, there's so many more notes than that, y'all, but it's something that a man or a woman could wear, but the woman won't smell like bossy or masculine in any way. It just smells like a holiday to me. Next fragrance I have on the tray is by Fragrance du Bois, and it is Sirene. I talked about this perfume on my October, November hits and misses video. This one is newer to my collection. It was gifted to me by the brand, and it's sort of similar to Tom Ford Bitter Peach in that it has a lot of those sort of spicy notes in here. It's sort of like spicy and ambery, but it's fruity from a cherry. It's a different type of cherry than the cherry that's in Tom Ford Lost Cherry, because that's like a warm cherry. This one, like a warm, sweet, ambery type cherry. This cherry gives like tart cherry, like a tart cherry juice. It's definitely brighter than like a bitter peach or than Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So there's cherry in here, there's pepper, we have some oud, there's benzoin that gives it like that little ambery touch, there's some moss. So it's sort of, there's incense in here. So incense already lets you know like this is gonna be one of those spicier ones. So she's going on the tray because she's new and she needs to get some wear. And the last perfume on the tray is one that I don't get much wear out of at all. And that's one of the reasons why she's going on the tray, but she's also so beautiful. This is Tiffany & Co. Rose Gold. And actually, if you have this, if you look through the opposite side of the bottle, the notes are written inside, like on the opposite side of the label. So there's notes of pink pepper, orange flower, and patchouli in here. And this is the Rose Gold Intense, by the way. This is one of those perfumey fragrances that remind you of walking inside of a department store. This gives you sort of the vibes of Ralph Lauren romance. If you like those type of perfumes, if you guys have ever smelled the Aroma fragrance, the Club de Nuit women from Aroma. If you like these type of perfumes, then this right here is going to be your vibe. But to me, this is a little smoother than that one. Like I could do 6-8 sprays of it, maybe 6 sprays, 4 to 6 sprays with this. Aroma one, 3. Girl, don't do more than 3 because it's doing too much, but this is so pretty, and I think it's slept on. I don't hear that many people talk about it, but it's beautiful, so she'll be getting used this month. So that's my December fragrance tray. I'll probably be wearing Baccarat on Christmas Day, to be honest. So comment down below, let me know what perfumes are you pulling out in December. Everything I mentioned today, I'll have linked right there on the YouTube shopping tab or either in the description box. So be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow for day 4 of Vlogmas. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars.